Hello there. Until now it had been a fairly quiet month, but now we have Storm Arwen on the scene, which is why we have this rare red warning issued by the Met Office, gusts of 80-90 miles an hour, bringing disruption and a danger to life. And the area covered by that warning, coastal areas of eastern Scotland and the northeast of England. That warning is until the early hours of Saturday morning. There will be some very big, very dangerous waves in these areas with those damaging winds too. Now the storm itself is going to be moving away into the southern North Sea. It's around the back edge of the storm that we've got the stronger winds pushing southwards across pretty much the whole of the country. And these amber wind warnings last for longer on Saturday morning, more widely across eastern and northeastern parts of England. But we also have amber wind warnings for northern and western parts of Wales, the far southwest of England, until 9 o'clock in the morning, gusts of 60 or 70 miles an hour. So a very windy start today on Saturday, and with some still moving southwards overnight. We've got a mixture of rain and perhaps some sleet and snow over the hills across some parts of England. That wetter weather continues in eastern England. Elsewhere it brightens up, some sunshine, a few wintry showers, especially in northern Scotland. Temperatures struggling up to 3 or 4 degrees, and whilst the winds may ease down a bit during the afternoon, it still is going to feel significantly colder in the wind. Second half of the weekend, the weather starts to come down a little bit. We see Storm Arwen moving away to continental Europe and weakening. A weak weather front starts to push in from the Atlantic. That could bring a little rain into Northern Ireland and more cloud. But elsewhere, we're still in the cold air. That means more wintry showers coming southwards across Scotland, run down those North Sea coasts, where in the morning it will still be windy. The winds do tend to ease down, but it's still cold, temperatures of 3 or 4 degrees. As we head into the early parts of the new week, we're going to change the wind direction, push in winds more from the Atlantic, and slowly it will turn milder from the west, but it is a slow process. We've got a weak weather front pushing into these western areas, bringing cloud and a great deal of rain and drizzle. They've been ahead of that, so for many eastern parts of England through the Midlands, those temperatures are still only 4 or 5 degrees at best. Further west, temperatures get up to 9 Celsius. That weak weather front then moves through, and we're in a broad sort of warm sector, if you like. West to northwesterly winds, probably a little bit stronger winds on Tuesday. We're seeing some wetter weather on those front moving down from the northwest. For many southern and eastern parts of England, it's all going to be dry. But the air is milder by this day, so we've got temperatures getting up to 10 or 11 degrees, even across eastern areas on Tuesday, 12 Celsius likely further west. Those weather systems then move down across the UK overnight. The air following on from that is a little bit chillier, not desperately cold, mind you, and it's more a day of sunshine and showers, more frequent, heavier showers across northern and western areas of the UK. We'll start to see some sleet and snow falling over the hills, particularly in northern areas of Scotland. Temperatures 6 degrees here at best. Still in the sunshine and largely dry weather in the southeast. It's double figures. Look at the jet stream, the air mass. Quite a fluctuation in the jet stream for the outlook. Briefly we're in some slightly cooler air, and then we're looking at milder air to come back in again further afield, and that's because we're pushing in more Atlantic winds from the southwest, but that means some weather fronts coming our way and areas of low pressure. Essentially the outlook is unsettled, not as cold as it is at the moment. Temperatures actually near or slightly above normal, but there will be showers or also some longer spells.